your willingness with us, and I know that Joni and I were so pumped up when it first came out and saw. Oh, this is a great facility. I love it out here. It is. Yeah. Okay, so my video has frozen. I don't know why. You?
Hello, this is the classroom where we typically hold class. We have a cohort of 20 students, and the flexible seating allows us to move it in ways that support the pedagogical approach for any given class. For example, tables can be grouped into groups of 4. They can be put into a U shape for the purposes of a whole class discussion. Additionally, we have a whiteboard and an audio visual system that allows us to project onto a large screen against the front wall. Additionally, we have an interactive whiteboard in the classroom, which allows us to do a whole host of instructional activities and connectivity that we otherwise would not be able to. There's also a built-in audio system with 2 controls for the volume. One is at the front of the room, and the other audio control is along the side next to the whiteboard. There's also lots of natural light, and attached to the back of the classroom is a industrial kitchen that our students can use for dinner and for class-related celebrations as well. One of the pedagogical approaches that we use commonly in our classes is collaborative breakout rooms. What's nice about the North Campus space is that we can spread our students out into various rooms to accommodate conversations, and also so that students can capture their ideas on whiteboards, chart papers, and can also use the VGA system to project images onto a screen. One of those breakout rooms is this conference room, and there's an identical conference room on the other side of the hall. This conference room can accommodate a group of 5 or more. During COVID, we only put 4 people in here, but you can see that there is chart paper, there is a whiteboard, and there is an audio visual system. Where's the audio? There's the audio visual system. And again, there are built-in speakers with an audio control on the back wall. So as I said, there is an identical conference room to this on the other side of the hall. Additionally, near our office spaces, there is another space that we use for breakout rooms as well. On our way to our office space, where we also use another breakout area, are restrooms that you see to the right and to the left of the hall. And there's actually another kitchen, which we're just going to glance through right now, which is another place that students can store their dinner in a refrigerated area, and also use a toaster oven, a coffee pot, microwave, and other things to help accommodate their need to have dinner on the evenings of classes, because our classes run from 5 to 9 p.m. Students have a 20-minute break in the middle of that when they can eat their dinner. This is another space that we use for breakout rooms, and while it does not have the VGA audio-visual system, we often will hang chart paper on this back window that students can capture their ideas on. Along this wall are our offices. This is the director of the program, assistant director of the program, and program manager's office. So what's nice about this is we're all together and can easily communicate, pull together to do any kind of collaborative problem solving or whatever is needed. We also have bookcases where we can store books that our students may wish to borrow throughout the program. A space that students can hang out in, they typically don't, but there is the space that's available.